बसंत वाला सीन लोड़े आगे सारे छत पे जी हले कलो तड़ारा नसे आज बंचना ही दासरी तो फसे
रावलपिंडी पुलिस की जानिब से एक अहम ऐलान समाअत फरमाएं। जैसा कि आपको मालूम है,
people get injured, there are deaths of the people, there have been deaths of the people. So I believe this is everything where the life of a person is involved. It's a challenge for police, and we treat it as a challenge for us as well. That's why we are taking it so serious.
What kind of law it is? You can just go do whatever. Nowadays, you can take drugs in your pocket. You can take the drugs in your pocket. You can take alcohol in the car and pass out. They will not stop you. You take a one kite for only 2 rupees. They will stop you and they put your picture on the social media. Like they have found very big terrorists.